The VUKARUAL 7-inch Carplay screen offers seamless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing effortless voice control through Siri or Google Assistant for a safer driving experience. Equipped with a high-definition backup camera, this car stereo automatically displays real-time images on its screen when reversing, greatly enhancing parking safety and ease. With multiple audio output modes including Bluetooth, aux, FM transmitter, and a built-in speaker, users can enjoy superior sound quality and flexibility in audio playback. The 7-inch high-definition touchscreen provides a vivid and responsive display, perfect for media playback and navigation, with rich colors and clear visuals. Real-time GPS navigation is made easy with enlarged map displays and compatibility with popular map applications, ensuring up-to-date and accurate guidance. Simple installation is possible without the need to disassemble the car's console, making it a versatile option for nearly all vehicle types, from cars to campers.